Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the model and firmware shown in Settings Device Preferences about so you know which update to get. Next, connect your TV to a stable Ethernet or strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Wired is better for large files. Once connected, make sure to free up at least 1 GB of storage and temporarily disable sleep or screensaver. This prevents interruptions. Now, open Settings System Software Update to check for available updates and start the download. You will tap Check for Updates, and if firmware appears, choose Download. This pulls the package from Sony servers. During download, do not power off, change inputs, or unplug the TV because corrupted files cause failures. Monitor the progress bar and estimated time. Larger updates can take 20-30 minutes. Once the download finishes, the TV begins installation and may restart several times. This is normal. Make sure the remote stays nearby. Follow any on-screen prompts to finalize the process. Once installation completes, verify the firmware version in Settings About, then test apps and HDMI inputs to confirm system stability. If something goes wrong, for example, update failure or boot loops, first power cycle the TV and retry the update. Sometimes a wired connection resolves repeated failures. If problems persist, reset network settings or re-download the update via USB using Sony's instructions. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.